Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking that button. Well, today's video is going to be a very luxe, Victorian style, vintage, using a little lace, using a little antique. And first you will see me sharing with you or presenting before your eyes the foundation to create such a wonderfully decorated masterpiece. We're going to call it my luxe Victorian style, vintage style tablescape. So guys, continue to watch and I do hope that you will enjoy. But first you will see me just basically laying the foundation. everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi FAISON. Now guys, I've been working a bit and I know y'all saw that I was working. And I know that you went ahead and grabbed your coffee and your tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink on this beautiful day. Now if you haven't already done so, get yourself a snack because I'm going to be doing the work. Yes, you guys don't have to do a thing. Just sit back and relax and let me create this, I want to say vintage style, Victorian style, all in that little era together. This is just something I've been playing around with. Y'all know how my head goes. When I get an idea in my head, it's like writing a book. You have all these things jumbled up in your head, and then when you go to put it on paper, a lot of times you get a mental block. Well, that's the same way I am whenever I am trying to decorate a table. I have everything going on in my head. I'm even putting the pieces together in my head. And so today I will be using this beautiful vintage or Victorian style charger plate. And I don't know if I picked these up from Amazon. They're a little bit heavy and or I may have gotten these from Macy's, and I don't have my glasses on. It says American, I don't know, I can't read it. And I don't know where I got these from. Maybe Hobby Lobby, maybe Amazon, maybe Macy's. These are the places that I generally purchase my charger plates. And so this one, like I said, it's really heavy and it's really, really nice. And then, guys, I've shared with you these dinner plates that I picked up from a thrift find. I think it was last year, may have been the earlier part of this year. I will be using this, and then I have the little salad bowl or soup bowl. And these are not identical, but I think that they pair very well together. So this is what I'm going to be using to create my tablescape here. So guys, go ahead, sit back, relax. Your girl's got you. She's gonna do all the work. Y'all are sitting under the AC and kick your heels back and grab a little snack, just snack away, and I will do the work, and I want it to be pleasing to you guys. So if you're new to my channel, your very first time here, I do want to take this time to say I welcome you here. I am out in Serenity Place, and yes, what serenity it is. Just a beautiful place for me to hang out, a place that my husband created for me. So I'm out here. It's a bit quiet. I do hear a little bit of noise from the lawnmower cutting the grass. So with all of that being said, I do welcome you all here. And if you're new, you want to be a part of this family, I promise you it's easy. Hit the red subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice that says all. If you do all that way, you'll always be notified when an upload is made here. Now guys, I love home decor. I love shopping hauls, do a little bit of cooking, cleaning, some of those things I have not shared in a while, but busy time for me. So I do those things that I can bring to you quick and easy, which is a tablescape, but I do love all of those other things. So if any of that interests you, then go ahead, hit that button, and then make sure you tap the notification bell. And then I need for all of you that continue to show me love and support, make sure you give me that big old thumbs up. That you will know, so that YouTube will know that you love what I'm doing over here. I continue to work. So guys, as it is reveal time, what I decided to do was to use the 4-piece place setting, and I am using the back side of the table as part of my centerpiece. So I've decorated it alongside the back side, adding into the center this gorgeous crystal clear candelabra. I've got these candle holders that are vintage style, my little vintage peacocks. I decided to place the floor arrangement in the rear there, but I will share with you what it looks like on the table. We have our wine goblets, and they have that vintage center. The charger plates are of aristocrat antique gold with the ornate rim. They are 14-inch charger plates by J Imports, and I did get those from Macy's. Now my napkins are larger napkins, and I've just kind of folded them upon the top and then added the floral napkin ring with that hint of greenery from the napkin ring. Absolutely beautiful. I brought out the best of my flatware. You see my soup bowl or salad bowl has the gold rim around. We have a little water glass with the gold rim and the gold leaves that goes perfectly with the picture that I have placed in the center. And of course the beautiful laced tablecloth with the beautiful vintage style lace runner in the center. So guys, continue to sit back and enjoy, and let me know what you think of this beautifully styled tablescape in the comment sections. I do love reading your comments. I thank you all so much for stopping by. Continue to watch, listen to the music, and enjoy.
Lost in your eyes, under your spell.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you've enjoyed me styling out this tablescape for you in the Victorian vintage style era, using quite a few vintage pieces and just having fun playing with it. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I do love reading your comments. And again, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you here, and I thank you so much for stopping by. It's easy. Hit the red subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of my uploads. Guys, be blessed, take care, and until the next video, I am your host, Gigi FAISON, and you're always welcome at my house. Whether it's in my house or out here at Serenity Place, you're always welcome. Be blessed, guys. Talk to you real soon.
So listen, guys, if you have made it this far, then you know that my heart is so glad. If you want to be a part of this family, just hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any uploads made here. And I would love for all of my family members, including new, to go ahead and give me that big old thumbs up. Guys, I had a lot of fun creating this tablescape, so I ask that you all continue to be blessed, continue to stay safe, and let us all continue to pray for one another. I am your host, Gigi FAISON, and as I stated earlier, You're always welcomed at my house.